Fire and Ice are the two lane conditioners that started the Element series back in 2013. These two conditioners were specifically designed for the flex lane machine and started the trend of mixing two conditioners within the same oil pattern. When it comes to chemistry, all previous Kegel conditioners feature one friction modifier. Friction modifiers are used to change the friction between different surfaces. So in bowling terms, friction modifier helps change friction between the lane surface and the bowling ball. Fire and Ice were the first conditioners from Kegel to use a combination of two new friction modifiers that are widely used in other industries. Due to this combination of friction modifiers, our chemists were able to create properties that are very specific to fire and ice lane conditioners. The viscosities of fire and ice conditioners are 45 and 41 centipoise respectively. The surface tension of both conditioners is quite similar, with fire being at 23.6 dynes per centimeter and ice being at 23.2 dynes per centimeter. If you want to learn more about viscosity and surface tension, we have a video where Kegel's research engineer explains these terms in more detail. Both fire and ice conditioners are very widely used in tournament play. However, it is important to note that both conditioners can be a little more sensitive to pattern adjustments and may require slightly more fine-tuning to achieve best results. Kegel suggests paying close attention to your front-to-back taper and the amount of conditioner at the end of your oil pattern. Fire is often used as a base conditioner for dual conditioner patterns, while ice conditioner provides unmatched durability and performance. In most cases, fire results in a smooth overall ball motion and is great for lower friction lane surfaces. On the other hand, ice provides the most slickness in Kegel's conditioner lineup. Bowling centers with worn, higher friction lane surfaces can really benefit from ice conditioner. For more information about fire and ice lane conditioners, visit our website. You can also request a free sample if you wish to try any of Kegel lane supplies. Lastly, if you have any questions about the conditioners or need help with your patterns, feel free to contact our tech support team.